guys, and welcome back to the gardening guys.
Hello, you alright?
With me, Bailey and Shane. So Shane, what have we been up to?
So obviously we got down here this morning, obviously checked if the seeds at the back of us had germinated yet. Obviously there's no germination yet, but with the heat that we're having at the moment it should be not too far away for the seeds to pop up now. So we've had a cup of tea and been pottering about in the shed. Got the battery on charge now for the Makita, so we can have a bit of music later. And obviously I've just been doing the beam poles for the frame that I built a couple of weeks ago in the polyton number 2, which obviously I'll be using that for dwarf French climbing beans. So yeah, we've been doing a few things since we've got down here, so yeah.
Well, let's have a look at what Shane's been up to then. You'll see it in the following clip.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me.
Hello, and obviously here we are on the gardening guys. So obviously previously I was discussing what we'd been doing, a few bits and bobs since we've obviously got down the allotment. And I did mention about the beam poles for the dwarf French climbing beans, and here they are. So obviously it's nothing too fancy, just a couple of bits of old scrap wood that I found lying about. Pilot hold them, screwed them into position. They're holded in by metal brackets which are in the soil with flat bases, so they can't go anywhere. I just put loads of gravel and stones around it, flapped it down so it's not going anywhere. And then obviously, as you can see up here, I've got loads of bamboos and things like that for runner beans and peas. So I just measured them and cut them up, and obviously I've put them there now. I've just got to find some cardboard ties or some string just to hold them, and then obviously I'll probably put a bit of muck just around them, let that rot in then, and we should be good to go then for dwarf French climbing beans. So there's a few little bits and bobs that I'm planning on doing as well along here. So bits of lettuce, radish, just little things, little bits of greenery that I can just come in, you know, to when I'm cooking as well. I'm hoping as well to do the same on here as well. So I'm going to try and see what we can do. So yeah. Obviously we shall get that done. So yeah guys, as I say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you got any comments don't forget to link them in the channel below. And obviously myself and Bailey and possibly Michael will see you all very soon. Have a good day guys, take care.
They call me a